renovating a fourplex beach house right now and the mess is insane. Luckily, I got my dream vacuum. It's called a Narwal and it's a robot vacuum and mop. I have heard insane things about this vacuum. First of all, it's a robot vacuum, so I don't have to do anything, but I have heard this thing is meticulous when it comes to cleaning. I feel like I'm very OCD when it comes to cleaning, but this thing apparently is better. So we'll see if it lives up to my standard. We let it map out the entire room. Now let's make a mess. Got a little mess over there, but I think we can make it a little worse. That hurt. We just installed these floors. A little sawdust. Just for good measure, let's get some mud in here. And when it senses a mess like this, it'll keep going over it until the mess is completely gone. So I set it to do that side first, and you can see the difference between the floors. It cut the mud and Gatorade right in half. You can see the line of dust that just covers that entire side. Another thing that I thought was cool is it's really good at picking up hair. And I don't have pets, but I do have a lot of hair. Oh my. Let's see if it gets stuck. It literally sucked up the hair and did not get caught. Hair's no match for the Narwhal. And obviously it left the other side spotless.